therefore distance ourselves and the entire people of Nyaribari from the stand that our Deputy Governor has taken by inviting his continue, calling for unity of Nyaribari for a common cause, and this is what we expect the Deputy Governor to lead us in doing, than running away from the county government even before. As our Nyaribari, you know, we are the largest clan and most populous. And so we are entitled for our rightful share in service delivery. And that is the end of our statement. We now want to call 2 members from Nyaribari to give a statement. And here I want to ask one lady by the name Monica Onchomba to give her statement.
Thank you.
Kegusini mzuri.
Ero ni gotu ashirega bunu Nyaribari omugima. Kogikeria mang'ana deputy governor yakora. Deputy governor nigo yagosora Nyaribari omugima. Koreto muntu okoroka Osoro nyomba cyo kukia Nyaribari nyomba. Ekina kitu iguro borotu achira koba mobunu Nyaribari akora Nyaribari tutagete kobe gente kamo nande nigo tole gente kamo. Tote bi Monda iga ni ntutu agerete akaira chikura. Tokamoseti ae simba advice buno mwana. Lakini omugako nande no morisi bwe kanisa. Semino bongaini ate bisimba gekogera aro mwana. Oka oretiro Osoro na ero gocha gukwana Nyaribari buna bari tu akwete tokahera. Oyo moiga Monda koranje mogaka tayo Nyaribari ora korigi naje bwiye komiti botuko no mobaso no maete kinsa tu are goika nda sisi mabwana ni gwan tote bisimba naki inkiombo muroyo kwanya arera Monda igo mogaka lakini toje tiko tote bwa imo kiraje bwieka bwa moima ngotebia abantu ngo muroyo mbuya gotenga moe rende mosegane na diji mojo obora imbo okora imbo genda roje mwamanyire koruo ngo mongora mokorete ngo mongora muri etutagete gotebi korigenjera abagaka abana barisi baje obarigie baje bakabuo onye gosaba mabera baje bagotebi na kia mabera gosabwa oira ne gasi onye gasi teiyo onye gasi to kuchikotokorera rio okori saini mapema oruo ate ntobwate ribaga ni intu chinguru tochoro monto mongao egento kende gia kabere mondane yo kwa nyumba omanye kogenda Osoro nkia kuchigotora nki Osoro agoto ogototige getigoro Nyaribari omugima tokumeti nganga ito ogotara gochi nkware goto Osoro tarende tiseita Nyaribari